back to the vlog.
I went away. I'm sorry to say, Shelby.
So that's what I've been rehearsing is a Forsythe piece called Blake Works.
If this is hell, the company is well lately.
Okay, really quick before we start the video, I'm super excited to tell you that today's video is sponsored by Care Of. I mean, look how freaking cute this is. And I'll tell you all about them a little later in the video. So let's start this vlog. Is it really even a Tristan Simpson vlog if I don't show you making my iced coffee? Okay, good morning you guys. I look like a hot mess, but that's okay. So it feels like I haven't vlogged in a little bit, and I think that was necessary. I think I need a little break, and I think I needed things, most importantly, to change a little bit, because I really started vlogging in like September, and Germany has basically been in a lockdown since October. So there was only so much for me to vlog without it getting super repetitive, and I felt like it was getting repetitive, and you guys still seem to love it, but it was getting difficult for me. Personally. Today is June 3rd, and things are looking real positive here in Germany. So first of all, most things have opened. You just have to have a negative test the day of to go do it. So if you want to eat at a restaurant, you have to go do a quick test, 15-minute test, get your results back, and then you can go shopping, eating, all that sort of stuff. Unless you're vaccinated, which I got my first dose. I got Pfizer, BioNTech, and I get my second dose in a few weeks. So today's Friday, and I'm planning on vlogging today and tomorrow, because I kind of wanted to do a little mix, a mix of one ballet work day, and then one free weekend day. Okay, I really need to hurry this up. I started drinking my coffee, I gotta run to the toilet, but welcome back to the vlog series. So let's see what happens in this vlog, and I need to run to the toilet. I swear to God, every time I vlog, I'm always in the biggest rush in the morning. I think it's because I don't consider the extra time it takes me to like set up the shot and come up with ideas, because I don't really plan a lot when I vlog. I just kind of do my thing, and then I just set up the camera, find a cute angle. So my schedule for ballet today is right now I gotta run to the theater. We gotta do a corona test. Then I go over to the school. I have class at 10:30, and then after that I have a rehearsal on the practice stage, Probebühne, auf Deutsch. And so we have our rehearsal for the piece that we're still working on that premieres in like 2-3 weeks. And I think I can even say what it is now because they've announced it. It's Forsythe. So that's what I've been rehearsing, is a Forsythe piece called Blake Works, originally set on Paris Opera Ballet. Super cool ballet. It's all to James Blake music, which is really freaking cool. And then today's actually so short because then after that I'm done. So then I'm gonna go to the gym, and then I'm gonna come home, and then from then on you're just gonna have to see. I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I can today as usual, and I need to go catch the U-Bahn.
Oh, Tristan.
Guten Morgen. Wow, look at that. Stunning. Oh, she's zoomed in. Wait, let her home now. Let her home, man.
What? Damn, Papa, you are well breed. No comparing. And it's because of
Fun one.
Let her
Okay, guys, we have class in here.
It's beautiful.
Stunning. Yeah, I'm gonna do regular one for now. Oh. So today's video is sponsored by Care Of. So I was so happy when Care Of reached out to me again to work with them. I worked with them a few months ago and I have been like a huge fan of them ever since. So if you guys don't already know what they are, it is the place to get your vitamins, supplements, or protein powder. But the special thing about them is that it is all customized for you. So as a professional ballet dancer, I want to make sure that I'm getting all the right nutrients I need and vitamins and supplements and all this sort of stuff. But it is so confusing. There's like a million different vitamins. Like, how do you even know what you need? But the cool thing about Care Of is that there is a really fun and quick quiz that you guys can go take. And they just ask you very simple questions about your life, your lifestyle, your diet, stuff like this, and they will tell you what vitamins and supplements you need. They basically do all the work for you. So I love that you can just set this in your room. It looks super cute. Then they just have these little packets with your daily vitamins that you need to take, which makes it super easy. Then they also sent me this maca dietary supplement and this vanilla whey protein powder. So I'm gonna tell you which vitamins that they recommended for me to take. So the first vitamin is tristanxsimpson, which is for skin and eye health. Then we have what they call calcium plus. We have vitamin C, which is for immune health, and ashwagandha, which is for stress and focus, which is actually really funny, y'all, because I went to a neurologist last summer and they recommended for me to take this anyway, so it's like, Care Of really knows what they're doing. Cut out the stress and the worry about finding the right vitamins and just go take the quiz. So of course I have a deal for you guys. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go click the link in my description. You're gonna take the fun and easy quiz. Then when you're ready to check out, you can use my code TristanS to get 50% off your first order. So y'all don't wait any longer. Go get your vitamins and supplements. And once again, thank you to Care Of for sponsoring this video. And now back to the video. Bonjour. Okay guys, so we just finished our it was like 2 rehearsals. So basically we're doing the Forsythe piece, but because of COVID and everything, he couldn't come here. So we had people who were setting the ballet who were like Forsythe people, what would you call them? Experts at Forsythe. So basically they came and they set everything, and it was really cool because today they pulled up Bill Forsythe on Zoom, ran a rehearsal via Zoom, so it was really cool. And I have never seen William Forsythe actually in progress of a rehearsal. It was so cool. The way that he works is really genius. The way that he explained things, he's amazing. So that was really inspiring to watch and everything. It was on the stage and it was really cool. I didn't personally dance because I'm third cast, so they just worked with the first cast. Since that was our last rehearsal of the day, we decided to come to the gym really quick. Hi. With Eduardo. And then it's the weekend. Okay, you don't want to say anything? Oh. It's June 4th. Can we not have some warm weather? We get warm weather for maybe, I don't know, 2-3 days. We'll get some sun. And then the Stuttgart weather guys are like, I think that's enough. And it's like, come on, we just got through a year of a pandemic. Stores are opening. Can I not have some goddamn sun and some warm weather for at least 4 days in a row? Is that really too much to ask? I took a shower and I replied to some emails for YouTube, really boring things. Also was looking for a couch for our living room. It has been the most annoying thing because IKEA doesn't deliver this one color of the couch I want. They have a darker beige, but I don't like the darker beige. You know what I mean? So, and then it's looking for other couches, and it's just a really hard thing to find because a couch is such a big purchase, number one, and number two, I feel like it can make or break a space. So, you want to get one that's nice and that's cute, but also comfortable. Right now, I will be chilling in bed watching Maurice. It's a gay movie. Reviewing gay movies part 2 will already be up by the time this video is up. So if you want to go watch that, yeah, happy Pride Month. I'll see you later. Good evening, boys. Just wait a little bit. morning, you guys, reporting to you live from my very empty living room. But like, also everything we've gotten here so far is so cute. Look at that dining table and these chairs. Are you freaking kidding me? I don't even know if I've told you guys yet. So we knew we wanted these chairs. They're usually like over 100 to like even 300 each. We got them on Facebook Marketplace for free. Like these two for free, and they're like in such good condition. There's some little like things that you can tell they've been used. I thought I'd do just like a little sit down, chatty update this morning because I haven't really just like talked to you guys yet in this vlog. And I feel like there's a lot that's changed in my life over the past like 2 weeks. Okay, well the first thing I kind of want to talk about is just burnout. I've seen so many YouTubers talking about this recently, and it's like, it's honestly very comforting because I've been having some of the worst burnout I've ever had, which is really not common for me. I'm not someone who gets burned out easily. I'm usually a very motivated person, but when I see these other YouTubers talking about it, I'm like, okay, I'm not alone. It probably has a lot to do with the state of the world, as in Corona and restrictions and all that stuff. But here in Germany, things are really looking positive. I got my first vaccine. Stores are open now, which we're gonna go to today. Already this city feels so much more alive, and I cannot tell you how much happier that makes me. And hopefully as this continues, I will get the motivation to like make YouTube videos more, because I've really been slacking recently, and I know that you guys have noticed probably, but I'm trying to find a balance of pushing myself, but also just like letting me live my life, you know. But then on top of that, it's so weird because I've had lots of motivation in other aspects of my life. Like I've been super motivated at ballet and working out and all that stuff. Also, I haven't been posting on Instagram much because I've been feeling like weirdly insecure lately. I think I put a lot of pressure on myself to have this hot boy summer, and like I'm excited for it, but like I'm not feeling hot. And if anyone can relate with that, like the pressure to be like super sexy during the summer, and like I'm just not feeling it. My skin has not been great recently. Some people commented about it on my YouTube videos, which is just like not nice. So I just kind of wanted to get those things off my chest, and I hope you guys can relate or find comfort in that. Market, and like the last 3 weeks I've been buying myself flowers every time, and I absolutely love it. Post-workout, how do you feel about hot boy summer?
I mean, I'm trying. It's still a long way to go, but
so when we go to Italy this summer,
oh, that would be
hot
sick.
boy summer.
That'd be sick. Positive vibes.
Positive vibes. Super excited because I have not like gone shopping, and I can't even remember when the last time I went shopping was. The stores have been closed. I honestly think since September maybe I've been like shopping in like a clothing store, or actually any store that's not like necessary. Slightly worried for my bank account, but I think I'm gonna be able to control myself. But at the same time, if I spend a lot of money, like I honestly don't even care because it's been so long. Okay, so I'm just wearing this gray shirt. I think I just got it at like Urban Outfitters. I'm wearing these pinstriped, I don't even know if you can see the pinstripes, dirty mirror. Cool dress pants, and they have a cool fit, like a loose fit. And I got them for like $2 at Goodwill. Just wearing a belt, white socks, and then the Reeboks, the very dirty Reeboks. But let's go, I'm so freaking excited. But like there's so many people. Maybe I liked when everyone stayed home. It was a bust, not gonna lie. I thought it was gonna be like completely normal, back to normal life, just wear a mask. No. Each store to get into was like a 20-minute line. Like this isn't Disneyland, you know? And then I go into these stores and then I literally never find any clothes I like. I have an inability to find clothes I like, especially in fast fashion stores, which is a good thing. Like, I don't like to support fast fashion, but I just never find anything I like, honestly. I did buy one thing though, that's so cute. So there's this pottery, is that what it'd be? I don't know, but they sell like handmade plates, vases, so much stuff. I did get this and I think it's so cute. I just got this little one. It has the coolest colors. It's all handmade in Portugal. It's called Motel Amino. Okay, Portuguese. And the color's like a purple, blue, pink pastel, really beautifully done. And I'm just gonna put this in my room, have it as a little ashtray. And now I'm gonna take a nap because I'm a grandpa, and then I'm going out tonight, but I can't take you guys along. When Edo comes, I'll film. So, I'm gonna take a nap. See you later. This little cutie all dressed up. I never see you dressed up.
Yes, I do.
Now I need to pick an outfit. I do have underwear on, people, don't worry. This is the first time I dressed up and I don't even know how long. I mean, dressed up, I'm wearing a tank top, but like, it's fierce. This is summer 2021, baby.